All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. It is overhead press day, but first I'm going to hit some heavy dips. If you've been following along, I've been doing McGill dips 3 days per week. So just warming up my shoulders and my triceps, so everything feels good on the dips. Worked my way up from body weight to 130 pound dips for doubles. First set was a little bit of a grind, which I don't want it to be on the McGill's. First rep was good. Second rep was a bit of a grind, but just my nervous system kind of getting ready on that set. Second set looked a lot smoother. Obviously the weight is heavy for me, 130 pounds. May have to hit the elbow sleeves soon, but happy that I'm up only 3 weeks into McGill's. I've gone from 90 pounds to 130s. Not sure I'm going to be able to keep increasing the weight much longer for McGill's, just because I don't want the reps to be super slow and grinded. So that was that was set 6, and you can see that last rep was slowing down some there. So then I did 3 sets of body weight dips after that, just to reinforce that neural drive. Then took a break. Can't be building a dad bod without having kids. So me and my daughter, May long weekend, we always plant a garden together. So here we are, planting some tomato plants. Absolutely love gardening with my daughter, and bonus is we get a bunch of fresh fruits and vegetables. Now on to push press. So here, working my way up to it's 154 pounds plus 50 pounds in chain, so 204 pounds at the top. I have it so the chains just completely rest on the ground at the bottom, so I'm just 154 pounds, and then they are just barely touching when I'm at the top, so I get the full weight without them swinging around too much. Worked my way up to 215 pounds on this set for doubles. So the plan was to go basically as heavy as I could with chains, and then do back off sets, 154 pounds for sets of 8. So here's second set of doubles here. Then after this set, I decided to go up another few pounds. Hit 220. I wasn't sure whether I would be able to hit a single or a double, or maybe nothing at all. But 215 with a double, I was confident I could at least hit a single.
See what happens.
See how it goes here. So the lockout was definitely a grind. First 3 quarters was okay. Like I said, I'm gonna see if I could hit a double. Wasn't sure I had it in me after grinding that lockout, but don't know till you go for it. And yeah, no, made it. Same thing about 3 quarters, and then I just couldn't grind that lockout. So decided to go for one more heavy single. Then it was time to drop the weight, go for sets of 8. So I did 3 sets of 8, and I tried to do these quicker, just down, right back up. Not taking a rest in between like I am on the heavier sets. Trying to build up that work capacity, just repping them out as much as possible. You can see I slowed down a little bit at the end here. The fatigue was setting in, but yeah, really happy to hit the 3 sets of 8 at 154 after doing the heavy singles and doubles. Then on to some steep incline dumbbell press. So I was fatigued after doing the standing overhead, so just doing 70s here. I think I hit 9 on the first set. Just trying to hammer away at the overhead, whether it's standing or seated. Hitting tons of upper back on all my other days. Got to keep that balanced out. You don't want to be just working the front. Try to get more volume in on my upper back than I do on my shoulders. Obviously been doing a lot of work with my shoulders because of the dips as well. Not direct shoulder work, but just feeling it in the shoulders a little bit. So got to just keep hammering that upper back to keep the shoulders safe and healthy. Then I really like doing these with the got the cuffs on, the 2 cable stacks, able to do like a crossover motion. Did the rear delts first, then the side delts. Another just a shot from the back here of doing the side delts. Really got a wicked shoulder pump out of this. And then finished off, finish off the delts with some upright rows. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.